Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Computer World, and I'm here again with a new interesting topic. I'll show 14 times 7 computer life hacks which will make your life easy. So here is number 1, Control plus T for opening a new tab. And if you are using your laptop, your computer a lot, so this is a number one tools for you, and it can work on any browser. You can open a new tab by just clicking Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. And if you are using a MacBook, just use command instead of control. Number 2. Ask Google about any problem you are facing before going to a PC expert, because Google have solution for every problem, and you can solve your problem in few steps by following Google instead of going to the PC expert. So be clean and use Google for your problems. Number 3. For currency conversion, use the Google search bar instead of calculator, because Google have updated knowledge about any currency. Number 4. Laptop battery charge faster when in aeroplane mode, because in an aeroplane mode the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi both are disabled, which can help your computer to charge faster than before. And number 5. Download any Google image automatically by pressing Alt and clicking on it. Most of the users use their mouse and download the image by clicking right click on it and click the save, but you can easily push the Alt button, then right click on image. It will be automatically download into your download file. Number 6. Hide your IP address so that nobody see what you are doing. For hiding IP address, you can just simply download VPN and use that VPN, and then nobody will be see that where you are present, so it will make you secure. Number 7. Download F.LUX to make your computer screen brighter. Adjust automatically to its surroundings. Number 9. Find out who is stealing your Wi-Fi. When you are using your Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi is very slow, you don't know that who is using your Wi-Fi. So for finding the theft of your Wi-Fi, just download an application who is on my Wi-Fi, and you will find it which IP address using your Wi-Fi. Number 10. You can recover deleted file even you cleaned your recycle bin. Most of the time we delete files and to clean our recycle bin, then we realize that we have any file which is important for us. So just download Recover. It will help you to recover files. Number 11. If you notice this sign, your computer has been hacked. Thousands of people are hacked every day, and you can be one of them. So number 1 sign is that if your antivirus is off automatically, so this means that you are hacked, so shut down your computer immediately. And the second is when your cursor is moving a little bit, so this means that your computer is hacked. Number 12. Windows plus C enable your computer to start talking to the CORTANA. And CORTANA is a digital person that can guide you through anything you need. So if you face any problem, just ask CORTANA for that. And click Windows, then click the letter C. The CORTANA will be answering you guys. Number 13. Control plus Q quit your web process. So number 14. Control plus I turn the text style into an italic. So it's very easy to convert your text into the italic. And so this is all for my today's tutorial. If you like my video, so click like on my video and press the bell icon. Thank you.